Okay, readers. So right now you should have just listened to the two texts. And text one was a new start, and text two was the letter. So right now I'm going to read to you the questions that you're going to need to answer. Now remember, you can always go back to the video, re-listen, reread the text so that you can support your answers with text evidence. It's very important that you elaborate as much as you can. So it's okay to go back and rewatch that video. I encourage you to watch that video and get that text evidence. So question number one, you're going to tell me your name. Question number question number two is summarize the text a new start. Remember, that's text number one, the first text. Use the sentence frame this text was about. Be sure to use text evidence. Give me details from the text. Don't just tell me it was about Ellis Island. Well, what about it? What was it explaining? All right, question number three. In a new start, in text number one, a new start, notice in line 54, near the end of the text, it says, as John F. Kennedy once said, John F. Kennedy was a famous president. There were probably as many reasons for coming to America as there were people who came. In a few sentences, explain how this part fits with the four paragraphs that came before it. So, how does it connect to the bigger picture? So, what does that mean? So remember, when writing about how this part fits with the other parts of the text, remember, number one, first, explain why this part is important. So why was that line so important? Number two, and then explain how that part fits with the bigger main idea of the text. All right, question number four. What is the point of view in text number two? Why is it important? So this question is asking who's writing this letter, right? So this text is told from the point of view of who? And why is it important? What does it show? This is important because it shows what? So answer that question, use that text evidence. And that last question, number five. So both text one and two, both texts teach about an important subtopic, the inspection process at Ellis Island. Explain briefly what these texts teach about the inspection process at Ellis Island. So use information from both text one and text two to tell me what was the inspection process like at Ellis Island. So you're taking information from text one and text two. This is where I would say you need to go back and re-listen and get information. What is it telling us about the inspection process? All right, readers, so good luck. Make sure you support your answers with text evidence. Go back and listen to the text a couple more times and then submit your work. Remember, this should take you a couple minutes because you're going back and re-listening to the text and rereading it. Good luck and do your very best work.